Next we are talking about the gravitational force. So gravitational force is the force which attracts two bodies. Okay, if you are taking two bodies, suppose one is having mass m1, other is m2, and they are separated by distance r. So as we know, gravitational force is given by g m1 into m2 by r square. Okay, where m1 and m2 are masses of the two bodies and r is the distance between them and g is the gravitational constant. So here you can see g is the gravitational constant, so it have constant value. Okay, m1 m2 mass of the two bodies are not changing. Okay, they are constant. R is the distance. So as we know, so from the formula, force is inversely proportional to the square of the distance between two bodies. Okay, so if we increase the distance, gravitational force is decreased. Okay, if we decrease the distance, gravitation force is increased. If we double the distance, suppose here r is 2r. Okay, so firstly our initial force is Fg, that is given by this. Okay, now if we are taking r, means distance is 2r, that time our force is 2r square. Okay, so it became 4r square. Okay, so on comparing we can see Fg and Fg dash, that time ratio is 4:1. So that means force is decreased. So we can say force is reduced. Okay, reduced and became 1/4 of the original. Okay, that means Fg dash is 1/4 of the Fg, means final force is reduced and became 1/4 part of the initial force.